Hello everyone, welcome back. The appliances is actually Windows 7 machine virtual image, VirtualBox image is actually imported here. So let me try to launch the VirtualBox here. Double click on the Windows 7 Fresh. Um, yeah, it's starter with it. So let it launch. So it started with it. Yeah, that's we finished it. So it is actually launching it. So let's wait for it to launch. Might take a bit time. Seems everything is fast on this machine. Uh, Depending upon the machine's configuration, this will be faster. So this seems to be faster in this machine. Okay, that may not be the case in one of another machine. So I will be try to adjust the window size here. Adjust the window size. Now let me So it is adjusted the window size after. So it actually launched the machine. So we can see that a Windows 7 machine is actually launched. We can do several things with this. We can test some of the applications. We can develop in this. We can install Visual Studio in this environment and develop solutions in Windows 7 machines. So likewise, you can n number of things to do with these sort of virtual boxes. Okay, that's it for now. We'll be back with another set of tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for your time.